feet hit the floor. Little kids running around, superheroes on the floor, making a warm breakfast, tending to all their needs, filling little hearts with love, planting happy seeds. Sometimes days feel long, but they're still complete.
Hey friends, welcome back to another cleaning video where I just clean my real life house and take you guys along the journey. So as most of you guys know, I have a walker now. She's just past 1 year old and she's on the move. So I had to take the girls' room and try and reconfigure it that way that she's not trying to climb up the bunk beds and all of those things. She would climb over this bed. And so I'm just trying to figure out a new system that way she can roam free and walk without getting hurt in the house. And it's just always, I feel like we just always are battling the elements, trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work in the house, especially with a 2-bedroom, having 5 kids, trying to find and configure the room to where there's still space to play and not too much clutter. It is quite the challenge, but we manage, and the kiddos are doing great with their rooms, tidying and keeping it clean for the most part. So I'm super proud of them in that area. As you can see, I moved my son's dresser. I was trying to figure out what to do in his room, but we still have not figured out a plan yet. So that was the dirty water from the Moprobo M2, I think it's called. I can link it. It's seriously so amazing. It picks up debris. It picks up all sorts of things. So I was just getting all of this stuff sorted from cleaning out the girls' room. I have to do a big wash on the pillows and the blankets and all sorts of things. But yeah, so I'm just going to tidy up the kitchen before we go to bed. I did not get the dishwasher completely filled because I cleaned out the dishwasher that night before, so we're pretty backed up, but it's okay. Today is donation day, so I'm going to be getting more and more things out. This morning. I am just working on getting those dishes undone so that I can fill it back up, and then we should be on schedule tonight to have everything in the dishwasher and back in running order. So we're going to hit the thrift store today, donating and getting rid of the stuff we come up with today. I have some kids' jeans, some stuff that the kids don't wear anymore. Anyways, stay so motivated, my friends. I will see you in my next one. I'm going to try and put out more long-form videos. Bye for now.